Embrace your natural glow. A guide to eco-friendly dry skin care. Dry skin is a common concern, often leaving our skin feeling tight, itchy, and looking lackluster. While countless skincare products promise relief, many are laden with chemicals and come with a hefty environmental footprint. The good news is that achieving healthy, hydrated skin can go hand in hand with eco-consciousness. Let's explore simple, natural ways to combat dry skin while treading lightly on our planet. Enjoying the video? Hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Decoding dryness. Understanding the natural culprits. Before we dive into solutions, it's helpful to understand what causes dry skin. Environmental factors play a significant role. Cold winter air with its low humidity can sap moisture from our skin. Similarly, indoor heating systems can exacerbate dryness. Hot showers, while tempting, strip away natural oils, leaving our skin parched. Harsh soaps, laden with synthetic ingredients, can further disrupt the skin's delicate balance. In some cases, dry skin can be a symptom of underlying medical conditions like eczema or hypothyroidism. Eczema is a condition that causes the skin to become inflamed, itchy, and red. It often leads to dry, cracked skin and can be triggered by various factors, including allergies, irritants, and stress. Hypothyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone, which can slow down your body's metabolism and lead to symptoms like dry, rough skin, weight gain, and fatigue. If you're concerned about your skin or any other symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Nature's remedies, eco-friendly solutions for dry skin relief. Fortunately, nature provides an abundance of remedies for dry skin. One of the simplest and most effective solutions is to replenish lost moisture with natural oils. Coconut oil, with its rich fatty acids, deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin. Shea butter, another excellent choice, is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that promote skin health. For a DIY moisturizing treat, blend equal parts coconut oil and shea butter, gently warming the mixture until melted. Once cooled, apply this luxurious balm to dry areas as needed. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and allowing moisturizers to penetrate effectively. Instead of harsh scrubs, opt for gentle, natural exfoliants. A simple mixture of sugar and honey, applied in circular motions, effectively sloughs away dead skin, revealing a brighter complexion. Alternatively, a paste made from finely ground oatmeal and water offers a soothing and exfoliating experience. Remember to follow exfoliation with ample hydration. When hydrating, use a generous amount of moisturizer, about a pea-sized amount for the face. For body hydration, you might need more, depending on the size of the area and the type of product used. One easy additional tip to remember: drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Prevention is green, sustainable habits for happy skin. Preventing dry skin is just as crucial as treating it, and many eco-friendly habits can make a significant difference. One often overlooked aspect is the impact of hot showers. While a steaming hot shower might seem appealing, especially during colder months, it can strip away the skin's natural oils, leading to dryness. Opt for lukewarm showers instead and limit their duration to conserve water and protect your skin. Our clothing choices can also impact skin hydration. Synthetic fabrics, while often cheaper and readily available, tend to trap heat and moisture, potentially irritating sensitive skin. Choosing natural, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, and bamboo allows our skin to breathe and helps regulate temperature, reducing the likelihood of dryness and irritation. Sustainable swaps, choosing eco-conscious skincare products. The beauty industry is gradually embracing sustainability, offering a growing selection of eco-friendly skincare products. When choosing skincare, look for brands that prioritize natural organic ingredients and sustainable packaging. Avoid products containing harsh chemicals, sulfates, and parabens, as these can strip the skin of its natural oils and harm the environment. Instead, opt for gentle cleansers, alcohol-free toners, and moisturizers formulated with plant-based oils and butters. Consider supporting brands that prioritize cruelty-free practices and utilize recycled or biodegradable packaging. Many smaller, independent brands are leading the way in sustainable skincare, often using locally sourced ingredients and minimizing their environmental impact. By making conscious choices about the products we use, we can nurture both our skin and the planet. Green up your routine. Embrace a sustainable skincare journey. Transitioning to an eco-friendly skincare routine doesn't require a complete overhaul. Start by incorporating small changes gradually. Swap out one conventional product at a time with a natural alternative. Experiment with DIY recipes using ingredients from your pantry. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to skincare. By adopting sustainable habits and choosing eco-conscious products, we can achieve healthy, radiant skin while minimizing our impact on the environment. Embrace the journey and enjoy the natural glow that comes with it. Let us know what your favorite eco-friendly skincare tips are in the comments below. If you loved this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more green beauty tips, and hit the bell for updates. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have seen or heard in this video. The creators of this video do not endorse any specific product, service, or treatment mentioned. Reliance on any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Thanks for watching.